So some of us are a little confused on how I'm getting the bond to be able to add 10 and subtract the remainder. So whenever I'm looking at the problem 156 plus 7, this plus 7 is what I'm really honing in on. I'm focusing really hard on the fact that I see the 7 is kind of what's tripping me up. Now, my second strategy that I learned is, to just add the ones, that's 6 plus 7. Well, now we're getting into like 6 plus 7, it's 13. I know that I've got a 3, I've got to carry my 1. We're getting a little bit tricky, right?
Right.
So my strategy, if I know that it's going to be more than 10, that's whenever I add 10 and subtract the remainder. So here, knowing that my problem is 156 plus 7, I'm thinking, okay, if I put 7 in a number bond with 10, because the strategy that I'm using is to add 10 and subtract the remainder. If I put 7 in a number bond with 10, if I know 7 is my part, what is my other part?
3.
It'd be 3. If I put 7 in a number bond with 10, what would my other part be?
3.
Mm-hmm. So that 7 is what I'm looking at. That 7 is right there. So whenever I add 10 and subtract the remainder, what is the remainder that I'm subtracting? 3. So 156 plus 7. Let's do 156. Let's add our 10. What does that give me? 166. Now, whenever I subtract the remainder, see, I took care of that 10. I added the 10. The 7 is the number that I was supposed to be adding in the first place. So whenever I subtract the remainder, what is my remainder?
160.
No. What is the remainder that I'm subtracting? 3. So 166 minus 3 is
163.
163. So that helps me solve 156 plus 7 equals what?
163.
163. Okay, by show of thumbs, where are you at with that? Okay, we're going to keep practicing, okay?